Malati. I'm working the tea center. Don't waste the tea because the tea making very difficult. You know that. Please, all people drinking tea. Thank you.
Mas eu ontem à noite, ontem foi gradual.
Ah, ja, mit die Verfehlung.
The life of the tea plant 50 years, 50, more than 60 years. Then we complete taking out, we put the replant new one. You can see this mountain, the brown color area. Cut it, the plant is grow 9 meter like tea tree. So every 5 years we do the pruning, cut. Always keep it smaller. We making the bush easy to pick. Otherwise 9 meters too high, we like difficult, not possible. You know the green tea, black tea and the white tea all comes from same tea plant. Then you make the process different. The white tea, you know the white tea? White tea we taking only the tips, the buds, the middle parts. We take the small bud, we do natural sun-dried. White tea, we don't use any machine process. Very special tea, more health is the white tea. Because white tea more antioxidation tea, control the cholesterol, diabetic sugar. Because more antioxidation, it is balanced. No caffeine, minus caffeine, 0.0 caffeine. If you drink the white tea, you're getting long sleep. Relax your mind. Green tea, black tea, we use everything but different process. Now we're going to see inside black tea process. Okay? Now you understand. Please straightly come down by the shoot over there. Into the close to window, the tea, silver color too. The leaves falling down. The first line, tree machine rolling, then the tea getting crushing. Make the roll for 20 minutes. Center one, the small machine over there, cutting. We make different sizes. Some tea leaves cut, some tea leaves uncut. Because different sizes, you will separate the sizes. Bigger size, smaller size, medium size. The bigger sizes all very light taste. Small little powder, stronger taste. Because more cutting, you get it the more infused. Quality wise, everything same. There's no matter. Tasting different. If you go for your taste. After separating the leaves, everything sprayed on the table. Sorry, that process you can't see that. Just leave it on the table 3 hours. That place we call fermentation. It is open place. The tea getting natural oxidation, air oxidation. The tea inside, the tea natural bacteria, you know the tea cells, that is chemical reaction, enzyme reaction changes the color. Green color changes to coppery brown color. Aroma, taste, flavor, strength, caffeine, everything starts from fermentation process. We don't use nothing. No chemical, no spray, no coloring, just oxidation. Green tea, you know the green tea, no fermentation, black tea fermentation. That's the difference, green tea and black tea. Actually green tea not made here, that's made in another tea factory. This factory we produce black tea, white tea only. White tea, we take the bud, we do the sun dry, then ready to packing white tea. Green tea first steaming and rolling. After drying, that process called green tea. This process everything black tea. Health wise, green tea, black, the white tea best. Taste wise, black tea best. takes one day, 24 hours. Morning start to picking, night finish to packing. One day we produce 2,000 kilos every day. Once a week we send to the auction in Colombo. Auction, you know that big market, all selling. Different company, buyers, the foreign company also buying this tea. They made the nice packaging. They put it all name. Tilmas, Lanka, Lipton, fish tips like that. They're no tea produce. They're buyers. They're buying all factory tea. High quality, low quality blended. Then they're doing supermarket and export. Big the white tea, two different varieties, silver tips and golden tips. The golden tips only color. This growing only the top mountain. The golden tea, silver tea, both white tea. Then you make this tea, we taking only the buds. We do natural sun-dried. We don't use any machine process, no fermentation process. Very special tea, more health is this tea. The white tea, one day you can drink 2 times, 3 times, same amount, again reuse. This green tea just one time, the full leaves. If you put the boiling water, the leaves little bit opening. Green tea twice, 2 times you can reuse. This everything black tea, different sizes, give the different taste. This tea we call OP, orange pekoe. Orange means color. Then you make the tea, you can see the color orange, not the taste. Pekoe means the Chinese name because the mother tea plant original comes from in China. Everywhere the plant we call pekoe plant. This uncut twisting black tea, but this give very light taste. Then you make this tea without milk, without sugar. And pekoe, orange pekoe lighter than pekoe. This both uncut big leaves. This BOP, broken orange pekoe, the broken is breaking the leaves. This is stand for English breakfast tea. This give the medium strength, most common one. Because no strong, no light, medium. With milk, without milk, both you can do that. Next one, BOPF, broken orange pekoe fannings. Fannings are very small particles, strong tea. English afternoon tea. You can shoot with milk because too stronger. This everything without milk. The last 3, light red tea. This like Chinese food tea. Semi-fermentation black tea. Normally fermentation 3 hours. That tea 1.5 hour fermentation. Quick fermentation. Those are flavor tea.
उसके ऊपर टी वो बनाया उसने।
हाँ